Is it really necessary that e-scooters always need to be in the way, even on the subway? Arnold AG, an innovator in transportation technology, has developed a new way to improve rail travel and use space more efficiently by creating a new parking solution for e-scooters for the Deutsche Bahn rail system in Germany. This solution was created using a lubrication-free linear system from IGUS. With this system, passengers can park their e-scooters in a special lift that automatically pulls the scooter up against the wall to save space, where users will also find a service panel with displays for travel information. This lift improves comfort and convenience of urban travel by providing safe and convenient storage while also charging the scooter so it's ready for the next rider. However, Arnold AG was faced with the challenge of developing a compact positioning system that is also lubrication and maintenance free. To solve this, they turned to IGUS maintenance-free linear systems. Working together, we found a space-saving, low-profile solution with the drylin SLW25 system. The lift is driven by a stepper motor and offers safety functions such as overload protection and a self-locking dry spin lead screw to prevent uncontrolled slipping or backdriving. 3 reasons to choose drylin. 1. Lubrication and maintenance free. 2. Quiet running. 3. Easy installation and safe operation in public spaces. Arnold AG commented, "When we were looking for a solution, we had a good feeling when we turned to that Cologne-based company IGUS, a specialist in lubrication-free and maintenance-free plastic plain bearing technology and linear systems. We have been using their products enthusiastically for over 20 years. To learn more about how drylin can improve and optimize your linear system, click the link below.